You alright?
Yeah. When I'm vomiting shit up, I had to mop the floors.
I just wanted to get to 100 to
Christ.
Well, sometimes I just do like
This is bullshit, man.
cold. Sometimes I get hot.
When cough while I work, I will.
Operazo can make
Vomit
you
green
tired.
step in the snow. The snowmobiles take over it. Yeah, I just coughed. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Fucking sick as a dog, man. Been sick as a dog for like a week. Yeah, I'm sick as a dog. I can't get any positions. I'm allergic to everything they give me. Like a guy fucking science infection meds like 2 years ago. I vomited my guts out. It's diarrhea in my guts out. They can't give it to me anymore. They can't give it to me anymore. Stay sick.
No, take the medication.
I'd rather stay sick than vomit my guts out and diarrhea my shit ass. I feel more sicker with those meds. I get temperature. I get actually a fever from it. From the medicines. I don't have a fever now. No. When they gave me the medicine, I got a fucking fever.
Which one?
All of them. They ended up diarrhea my ass out and vomiting my guts out. No. I can't take medicines. I'm allergic to it.
Not all of it. The one should have.
I take cough drops. I can take those. Yeah.
I don't know what you mean. You're supposed to be on Zyprexa.
Not that I'm talking about. The medicine they give me for the fucking cough and the sinus infection.
All that.
That makes me burn my guts out. Bomb my guts
Don't
out.
take it,
Shit,
don't
man.
take it.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I stay off of it. I can't go to the doctor for this shit. Because they're going to give me medicine that's allergic to it.
Don't go to the doctor.
No, I take the medicine I'm supposed to take already. I'm not allergic to. But the medicine I'm not allergic to, I can take. But the allergic I'm medicine to, it makes me vomit all of it out, and I can't sleep. One time I took all that shit, I couldn't sleep because I vomited my other medicine out. Hey, every time I take it, it's like 30 minutes later, I vomit my guts out. Or diarrhea my guts out. It makes me dehydrated and I have to go to the hospital and kill me. If I keep on taking it, man. You're supposed to take it, the doctor says, you're supposed to take it until it's finished. So I don't vomit diarrhea my guts out forever. Yeah, it ruins my other medication because it vomits it out when I take it. No, not that. No, the other medicines.
That's not your Zyprexa.
No, it's not that. It's the sinus infection meds I get sick with. And the flu meds.
Let somebody else figure that for you.
The flu meds I get sick with.
You would know.
Sinus infection meds and the flu meds and the cold meds and sinus I get sick with. I can take cough drops, yeah.
You're supposed to get Zyprexa.
Yeah, I am on it. Yeah, it ain't coming up. No.
I thought you were supposed to be.
Yes, I can take that, but I can't take the other medicine they give me for it. Other
No, you
problems.
cannot.
Because I'm allergic to it.
He's allergic.
I have bought my other meds. I don't want to do that shit. I'm not going to the doctor for this shit. I've been for years. I just keep on doing this.